Hello, welcome back. What do we have today? This is a washer front load VRT that is showing this code SE. So let's fix it in 5 minutes. First, turn it off as soon as you see that error code. So look at this. This cover is for the washer filter. That code is because the filter might be filthy. So we can open it up with a screwdriver. You see, the first thing you're gonna see is like a little hose with a cover, plug. That's the drain. The main for the clean water. So we're gonna take that off. You have to unscrew it, and as you unscrew, you pull out, and it comes out of the hose. And right away, it's gonna start. The water is gonna be flushing out. This water is clean. That's the clean water coming out. You can get a container and just drain it in there. You put the plug on a safe place so we don't lose it for later to put it back. Then you have to wait until all the water flushes out. Okay, so once the all the water is flushed out, you clean the floor of any spill that you might have gotten. So here's the water. There's not that much water. Okay. So then you put that hose aside. You have the plug. Make sure you wear gloves, some disposable gloves, because what you see next is gonna be the dirty part. So it's gonna be nasty. So protect your hands. So we are going to unscrew that plug. Once you unscrew it, it's gonna pull out easy. And there you go. This is what's causing that error message. And all these nasty, crappy things you might find there. You may find anything in there. It's unbelievable. I don't know how all these things can fit on those little holes. See? You have to take everything from inside, from out. Take it out. See, that's messy. Put your finger in, see all that stuff. Even a screw coming out of there. So this was fully clogged. All right. It's better if you put it in hose and just wash it real good. Real good. See? Okay, so I went out and rinsed it in a hose, so now it's a little more cleaner. So now it's time to put it back. So you do the same way. You plug that in, and screw that clockwise, and that's it. Next is the plug from the drain. Same thing. Clockwise, push it. That's it. Put it back right inside. can close the cover. Just clean the mess. Just get rid of those nasty globes. And let's see, it's time to turn it on. Make sure the door is fully closed. And I will turn it on and start a new cycle with nothing in there, because I think there might be a little leftover filthy water in there. So that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.